Want to get your crypto into your bank using Revolut? I'll show you a simple way to do it fast. First, open your Revolut app and make sure your account is verified. You need full access to crypto features. Go to your crypto wallet inside the app and select the crypto you want to withdraw. It can be Bitcoin, Ethereum, or others supported by Revolut. Tap Sell or Convert and convert your crypto into your local currency. Revolut only allows bank withdrawals in fiat, so this step is necessary. Once it's converted, go to the Accounts tab and select your bank account, tap Transfer, and choose the amount you want to send. Confirm the transfer. It usually takes a few minutes, but sometimes up to a day depending on your bank. And that's it. Your crypto is now safely in your bank account. Easy, fast, and secure. Revolut makes withdrawing crypto to your bank is straightforward, so you can access your funds anytime. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful, and don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.